Hello, it's Richard here, as you can see. Welcome to Wily Wednesday, episode... I've got no idea what number the episode is. I'm Richard, this is Richard and Paul's channel, and this is episode... something. And it's been humid. I wake up every morning looking like Diana Ross. My pores are open. It's sticky, warm, ugh. Not my favourite kind of weather. This episode of Wily Wednesday is actually to do with humidity. The reason I am... Start again. Excuse me while the heavy motorbike goes past. You're not on a racetrack. It's idling. Cut. And the reason why I'm doing this episode is because of some housework I did. And this week's episode is all about, with me, Richard. I've said that. I'll start again. There's a plane going over now. I've had car engines, I've had planes, I keep making mistakes. It can only mean one thing. It's warm and humid, which means my brain does not work properly. Hello, good afternoon, it's Richard here, and welcome to another exciting, thrilling episode of Wily Wednesday. It's Wednesday afternoon, it's summer, it's London, it's humid. The planes are going over, disturbing me. I've had an engine chugging down the street, making some ungodly noise. Why do they fit engines to bikes that make that awful loud noise? Why? What's the reason other than just to annoy people? I don't understand. Please tell me. Anyway, it's been hot and sticky. Hot and sticky, excuse me, I've got an itch on my ear. Hot, sticky, but today is quite breezy. It's a lot cooler. A lot cooler, thank goodness. But, and this is the subject of this week's Wily Wednesday, humidity in the home. Specifically the wardrobe. Last night, I decided to do a little bit of light housework, and I was putting the clothes away. Now these are clothes that have been drying for, a couple of days in the bathroom, which is quite warm. And as I'm putting them away, as I'm folding them, I'm thinking these clothes are still damp. They're still damp. We're in 95% humidity at the moment. Everything's damp. Even the clothes in the wardrobe felt damp. I was rather miffed. Yeah. And I thought, how am I going to combat humidity in the wardrobe? And then I had a light bulb moment. I thought on and I looked sharp. Silica gel. Silica gel! Those little sachets that we get in certain packages, and we're told to not eat them and throw them away. No, we don't do that. We keep them. Oh yes, in a jar, an airtight jar. We save them. Silica gel sachets. Do not eat. Throw away. No, don't throw away. Save them. Because I always thought, oh my God, throw them away. They're going to kill me. Don't touch them. Don't go anywhere near them. Throw them in the bin, quick, before they take over the world. And I kind of assumed that maybe they were toxic or, I don't know. Well, apparently there are chemicals sometimes that they use in the production of silica gel that is like an additive to the process that can be harmful. So obviously nobody advises anybody to eat these sachets. But, you know, there are occasionally children that try things and stupid people. So they have to put that on the sachet to stop that from happening. But they are incredibly useful things. Perfectly fine to use in their sachets. So what I did yesterday was distributed several of them around the wardrobe. Yes, in the drawers, in the base of the wardrobe, on the shelf. And you know what? I checked today and everything feels a lot drier. They've already done their job. Fantastic. So, my tip this week is to save those little silica gel sachets and use them where you need to remove moisture. Seed boxes. Yeah. Wardrobes. Document boxes. Things like that. I think it's a good tip and one you should use and utilise rather than throwing this resource into the landfill, into bins that go into landfill. Why not keep them? You never know when they might come in handy. It's my hoarder tendency coming out. Yes. So that's it for this week's lovely thrilling tip. I'm sure you're all extremely excited by that. So from a hot, sticky London, I hope you're all well. And that's it. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, following on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, the bottom.